Hi students, today we can discuss about the quarterly portion of that science subject for 7th standard students. So now how many chapters we are going to write for quarterly exam students? 6 chapters. What are the chapters we can discuss now? What is the first chapter means? No, nutrition in plants. Then second chapter I didn't teach them, so I can go to third chapter, fiber to fabric. Then fourth one, what is it? No, heat and temperature. Then fifth chapter, what is it? No, acids, bases and salts. Then sixth chapter, how things change. Then seventh chapter, what is it? No, soil lesson. So these are the 6 chapters we are going to write for quarterly exam. I know that all of you prepare well for that examination. Yeah, please children. Now I can tell that about that slide about that lesson, that outline of the lesson. That means nutrition in plants. We should know about the types of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. In that, what are the in between there? The autotrophic nutrition we know about that plants only. Then heterotrophic nutrition in the division should be there: parasites, saprotrophs, then insectivorous plants, then symbiotic relationship. These are all we can study in that nutrition in plants lesson. Then another one thing especially we should know about that photosynthesis process. How the plants prepare their own food, by through the which process means no photosynthesis. That are all we can learn from this first lesson. Then third chapter, what is the no fiber to fabric. In that lesson we know that already that fibers are two types: natural fibers, synthetic fibers. Here we should know about the natural fibers. In the natural fibers, in this lesson, in this chapter, we should know about that. We will learn about that animal fibers. There are two animal fibers. What are that means? No, silk and wool. Okay, how can get this wool from the sheep? Then how we can get the silk from silkworm? What are the process? What are the steps we can there? That we can study in that third chapter, fiber to fabric lesson. Then next one, fourth chapter. What is that? No, heat and temperature lesson. In that lesson, we should know about that heat. What are the scales we are used to measure the temperature? Then what is thermometer? What are the types of thermometer? Then how heat transfer from one place to other place? What are the methods? What are the methods you can transfer of heat? 3 methods I told that, no, conduction, convection and radiation. Then finally we should know about that what are conductors, what are insulators. That are all we should study in that, we should learn in that lesson, heat and temperature lesson. Then in that lesson also you can answer one problem. We know that Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, what is that relation between Fahrenheit and Celsius? How can you change Fahrenheit scale into Celsius, then Celsius scale into Fahrenheit? That also we can learn in that heat and temperature lesson. Then fifth chapter, what is that? No, acids, bases and salts. This lesson also very interesting. We should know about that. What are acids? What kind of acids we are using? We are using in that food items. Name of the food acid present in the food items. Example, you can take in tomato, oxalic acid present there, milk, lactic acid present there, grapes, tartaric acid present there. Like that we can learn in this lesson. Then next one, bases. Bases also we are using in everyday life. We are using soap, powder, that are all contains bases only. So acids, bases. Then how can you identify these acids and bases? We know that children, by using the indicators. That also we should learn in that lesson. Then finally, what are salts? How the salts formed by the reaction between acids and bases. What is name of the reaction? That one, neutralization reaction. That also we can learn in this lesson. So this is also a very big lesson. Then what are the reactions between? What are the reaction takes place in acids? What are the reaction takes place in bases? Then in this lesson we should know about that. What are that? Bases of that. That are all we can learn in the acids, bases and salts lesson. Okay. Then next chapter, what is it? Now how things change. In this lesson, what are the changes? So many changes around us. In this lesson, we should know about the 2 kinds of changes, important changes, physical changes and chemical changes, that we can learn in this lesson. Then finally, in this lesson, we should know about the symbols of elements, known elements. We know that 118 elements there. We should know all the elements symbols, but we should know about at least 30 or 40 elements. We should know about that important elements, what are using daily, every day we are using that. No, that elements we give symbols we should know about in this lesson. We can study in that lesson. Then finally, what is that lesson? No, 7th lesson, what is on soil? Soil is very essential for all the living organisms, especially plants and animals. You should know that. In this lesson, we should know about the types of soil, then how the soil is formed, then what are the properties of soil. That are all you can study in that lesson. So how many chapters we are going to write means 6 chapters we are going to write in the quarterly examination. I hope all of you prepare well these chapters. I think all are easy only. Okay, and then next one we should discuss about that. What are the patterns? What are that? Two kinds of that. 2 days we are going to write. Total marks we are going to write 100 marks. First day you are going to write Google form test 40 marks. That is only choose the correct answer, that is multiple choice questions. Then second day we are going to write descriptive method, that we are going to write 60 marks. Okay, so totally you are going to write how many marks now? 100 marks. Then what is the question paper pattern we can discuss about here now. First Roman we are giving that choose the correct answer 5. So find the 1 marks, carry each question carry 1 mark. So find 5 1. There 5 marks, then fill in the blanks. 8 I can give, so 8 into 1 8 marks, then answer in 1 word 7, so 7 into 1 7 marks. So 1 word, these are all these first 3 Roman 1 word only. Then next 4th Roman answer the following 2 marks questions. You should write 2 sentences or 3 sentences for this question. So how many questions I can give now? 10 questions, so 10 each question carry 2 marks, so 10 into 2 20 marks we are going to write. Then 5th Roman answer the following, that means detailed question answer in the pattern discussion, that means explanation, then diagram, then problem also there, then difference between the 2 types of physical and chemical changes, that are like that example I told that. So many differences also I can give that. So totally how many marks you are going to write means 60 marks you are going to write. So I hope you all of you prepare well for that examination. Okay children, so attend all the questions, don't leave any one question in that. At least whatever you know about that question you can write the answers, don't leave any one question in that. Okay, please all of you attend all the question. All the best children, attend all the questions. Okay.